What's up guys, my name is Warren James and today I will show you the best 5 core exercises to do. Give these a try. So the first exercise, probably the hardest, are resistance band ab rollouts. And you're going to want to tie a resistance band to whatever barbell you want to use. Add, I would say, a 2.5 or a 5 pound plate on each side. The lower you put it, the lower you are to the ground, is going to be the harder it is. So I have 2 variations for this one. The first one is a push-up to a press out. So you're going to extend your arms over your shoulders in almost a Superman position without your stomach touching the ground. Second variation is the same thing, but you're gonna be on your knees, take off that weight, so it's gonna make your load a lot easier. But the resistance band is really what's gonna help contract when you extend. You're gonna contract it together, and that's when the core is activated. Resistance band is totally up to you, whatever progression you want. Thicker the band, the harder it is gonna be for you. Thinner, easier. Exercise are weighted L-sit lifts. You're going to use a set of parallettes, or you can use dumbbells if you have them. Exercise ball is totally optional, but if you decide to use it, you're going to want to place them over your feet and lift them as high as you can. From there, you're going to come 2 seconds, rest at the bottom, and that extra 2 seconds is going to give you enough power to propel you right back up. The next exercise are hanging leg lifts or knee lifts, depending on your level. You're going to want to find any straight bar, and you're going to hang on there, and you're going to propel your knees or feet straight up and do as many repetitions as you can. Fourth exercise are incline bench leg lifts. It's very similar to what we just did, but it's a bit easier because we're gonna be on an incline bench. You're gonna get a good grip from your back, and you're gonna all focus on your core. No grip strength, just this one's just straight abdominal, and you're gonna do as again until failure, until it burns. Final exercise is called the unstable plank, and today I'm going to be using a big exercise ball like this. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to place both forearms on top of the ball, press your shoulders forward, and you're going to have a nice round arc on your upper back. And you're going to want to either do this on top of a platform as a bench, or you can just do it on the floor, whatever works for you. And you're going to hold this for 4 sets, as long as you can for each. After that, give it a good 2-minute rest and redo it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and comment below and let me know what kind of workouts you want to see next. I'll be coming out with these type of videos every week, so stay tuned.